We are back at whatever the name of this place is. Revisiting this Dover elevator. Let's give it a ride. Now I'll put a link to the last video I took of this thing. But if you may remember, if you've watched the video, it wasn't running too good. So let's get an updated take of this thing and see if it's gotten any better in the 6 or so months since I last rode it. I think this is new. Oh, this is just like plastic. Damn. Anyway, indicator works. That's good. All right, down to 1. Oh God. Well, it's quick. Now here's the moment of truth. Well, it's not low on oil. That's good. Let's go down and we'll listen to the motor from the MR. It runs like total ass still. So that's nice. Damn, look how nasty this COP is. Hold up, don't crush my hand, please. All right, let's listen to the motor. And wow, this door has seen better days. Guess someone really wanted to see the machine room. Well, sounds nice from the machine room. It's dry power, and that's it.